much.
Thank you so much for tuning in to Cook with April on Thirsty Thursday. Today we are making another boba recipe because you guys seem to really love the milk tea one. So today we are making an iced matcha latte with boba, of course, because you know we love boba here. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go over the ingredients, you guys. You're gonna need some matcha powder. This is the one that I have. I just wanted to show you the packaging. This is by Boku. It's their super matcha green tea. But just search green tea matcha powder and you'll find it anywhere and everywhere. Condensed milk. This is what we're gonna use to sweeten the drink instead of sugar this time around. And you guys know you're gonna need a jar with a spoon. I got mine on Amazon and I like it because it's reusable and washable and all of that. And I also use this for just water sometimes. Honey will sweeten the boba because you guys know I love doing that. Like when you suck the boba balls, you get like a little bit of the sweetness from the honey and it's so good. And of course boba, you guys. And this is the packaging that I use. I get it on Amazon and it is so good. It's like a chewy, perfect consistency and very easy to cook. And then any milk that you like. I'm using soy milk, but you can use almond, whole milk, oat milk, any kind of milk that you like, or rice milk too. And then water, we're gonna boil water in a little bit as well for to mix it with the matcha green tea, but also we're gonna boil like a pot of water for the boba too. You guys, I boiled a pot of water. I just followed the instructions on the boba packaging, and now I'm gonna put the boba right in there. And like last time, if you guys watched my milk tea boba, the boba will pop up when it's ready and cooked. You guys, the boba is already starting to pop up, which means that they're almost ready, but we're waiting for all of them to pop up. But it's so fun to watch the boba balls like pop up. And then after that, you're gonna cover it and turn the heat to low, or just turn off the heat completely and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. And then after that, the boba balls are ready. So here we boiled hot water. I need about a cup of hot water, even a little less, you know, like 3/4 cups. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the matcha powder. And usually if you have like the legit matcha powder kit, there's like this really cool whisk, but I don't have that, so I'm just using a fork to mix it all together, like that. Since this is nice and hot, we're gonna add the condensed milk to sweeten this up. And you guys, it all depends on how much you want it sweet. So, you know, just do what you like as far as sweetness. Do a little taste test here and there while you're pouring. The boba is ready, you guys. I'm just gonna remove the lid. It was hanging out for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now it's time to drain. And so that's what I'm just gonna do. I love this so much. It's meant for pasta, but it works for boba too. See, look at this, you guys. So I'm gonna link everything below, the boba and everything. So now we're gonna add the honey to the boba and mix all of that together. Because while the boba is hot, it will melt it, you know? It's gonna be so good, you guys. Yes, just mix it all really well. It's gonna melt. You guys see that, how it melted? Because the boba is so hot that the honey melted. Yum! You guys, it's time. So we're gonna put that boba right in that cup. This is the perfect amount. I cooked half a cup of boba. You could have done a whole cup, but I mean, half a cup is good for this serving, you know? And then here, I'm mixing. This is the condensed milk with the matcha and the water, right? I'm gonna add that right on top of ice. And then this is about a 1/4 cup of soy milk. I don't really need that much. I just want to do like half of that. So yeah, a little bit, half of that. I'm gonna mix it really well, just to cool it down because I like my matcha ice. But if you guys don't, you don't even have to include the ice. And then we don't want the ice in the drink, do we? And y'all, I need a new strainer. Obviously need a new strainer. And then we're gonna just pour that in without the ice. Ooh, that was perfect, you guys. tester Justin up in here.
Let me have it.
I already tried it and it's bomb. Okay, not to toot my own horn, but it's pretty good. I love it. Right? Can I also be
first of all,
taste tester?
Again, this boba is seriously legit. If you guys didn't make it from the last recipe, this boba is awesome and it's super easy to make. The green tea latte. You know, matcha lattes, like, do they have one at Starbucks? Because I feel like this one tastes very similar to that.
Yes.
It tastes delicious. It's not too sweet. A perfect complement to the boba. It's not, you know, that's not usually I do like taro or
He loves taro.
That's usually when I go to taro.
Yeah, let's do taro.
I never do green tea matcha, but it's like really good.
Good. I love it.
I'm gonna taste this one.
Oh, my bad. Oh, his true colors come and show. Wow.
Well, first of all, you upstaged me right before I did the taste test. I was like going like this, and you're like, first of all, I already tried it. It's delicious. It's like what kind of a taste test is that?
You know you're here for moral support. That's all. Thank you. And filming it.
Okay, fair enough.
Dang. Did you see that? Hold on. Hey, Nick, if you can find the clip of him grabbing it, dude, you better show our friend.
Well, look at your body language. Hold on a second. Look at your body language. You were holding it in your right hand away from me.
That's me,
like
though.
this, almost like off the frame. See,
That's
it's like
me,
off the frame.
Oh, gosh. Let me tell you guys. If I order a drink, you know how Justin usually drives? And I'm in the passenger side. Tell me why I don't put my drink in the middle, you know, like in the middle between me and Justin. I put it on the other side so I know he can't take a sip, because let me tell you about his sips. They are gulps. They're big, giant, right? Don't lie.
This is not part of the tutorial.
Don't lie. Yeah, I don't care. It's not part of the tutorial. These are facts that need to be shared.
I've actually evolved over our relationship, though. My gulps are less because I'm conscious of you protesting.
Yeah,
that,
even
so.
my water, I'm like, oh, that must be a nice, refreshing
She always has to make a comment
sip.
like, oh, that water looks very cold. Like,
well, because you drink all my water. You know how I feel about water.
Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Shut up! Yeah, but like what Justin said, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Cook with April. Click on the notification bell so you know whenever there's a new video. We post on Tasty Tuesday and Thirsty Thursday sometimes. And also I have an April Athena 7 channel. If you guys want to see me clean, talk about Amazon favorites, I'm there too. And also our family vlog, April Justin TV.
You can see more.
Where I talk smack about this man.
You can see more of this banter if you want.